Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Jasmine, and today we are gonna have a lot of fun. If you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. So I live in Hawaii and pina coladas are super popular. So today I'm gonna show you 3 super simple, easy ways to make them. The first recipe, you're gonna need a blender. You're gonna need just any type of pina colada mixer. You can find these at any store. I specifically got this one at Costco. Might not be one that big, but it's good to have around. You're gonna need pineapple juice. I'm super classy, just taking it right out of the can. Your favorite alcohol. So typically we make these with coconut rum, but I'm a vodka girl, so I'm using vodka, which you also might know is called a chichi, a vodka pina colada. But really, they're typically made with coconut rum, but I just love vodka. All right, so that's really all you need for the first one. So simple, right? So let's get blending. I'm super excited. So the blender I have is a Ninja Chef. The best blender to have if you're in the market for a blender is one that has the little prongs at the bottom. We did smoothies when we first moved here, and so we went through a few different blenders and took a few back because the one with the long stick in the middle with the 3 blades up it wouldn't really blend it. It would more just create an icy, like a drink, which some people like, but I really like a creamy blended drink. So just a heads up, if you don't have a blender with a blade like that at the bottom, your drink might come out a little bit more icy, which is still really good. Yeah, blender 101. The blades at the bottom is the best. Usually what I do is I fill the glass I'm going to use with ice. So that's really the easiest way. Dump that bad boy in there. Grab your vodka or coconut rum or tequila. That might be good too, who knows. Pour shots. All right. Take your pina colada mix and take your pineapple juice. So the pineapple juice, I just give it a little splashy splash like that. Just like, maybe like a 1/4 a cup or so. And then you pour in the pina. So what we look for on the boat, what we call it shark fin. So pretty much you just want it to have enough liquid to just be coming up to the ice, so where it kind of looks like shark fins down there coming out of the water. So that's what I do, I eyeball it. Or it's really just really close to the 16-ounce line. Shark fins. We are gonna press. And that looks about good. So a really cool thing to know is if you have like strawberry syrup, you can put a little bit at the bottom and then pour it, and that's gonna create a lava flow, which is a really popular drink. Can't forget to have your pineapple. Grab a little straw. And if you like toppings, like I like toppings, grab yourself a spoon and get some Cool Whip on there. I am so weird, I know, it's like favorite in life. Delicious. And Kevin's favorite, my fiance, Marciano cherries. There you go. Beautiful, easy to make pina colada. If you have dark rum and you use the coconut rum, or if you want to mix the 2 alcohols, which some people do, I can't say I would recommend that, but you can. Put a little floater on top of dark rum and it's really good. Oh yeah, probably could use more vodka. If you are somebody that likes a low-cal option or like a skinny pina colada, you're really gonna like this. I created this on my own. You're gonna love it. This is like top secret, awesome. So, get your handy dandy ice. All right, that is perfect. Take your alcohol. So after you get your shot in there, so what you're gonna do is, because this is really high in calories with all the sugar, you're just gonna do a splash. You just want the flavor. That's all we're going for. That pina flavor. Then you're gonna take pineapple juice and do a little splashy splash. Then soda water. So oh shoot. Watch out for that. Watch out for that one. Whoa. I think I shook it up on accident earlier. So don't do that. Slowly release the buildup so it doesn't explode all over you. So you do a little lime squeeze. And because I don't have a shaker at my own house for some reason, just use a cup and you just want to mix it all up so that the pina colada mixes with everything else. It's kind of like a thicker syrup. That sound is so satisfying. Okay, it's cool, it's good. And now you're just ready for the toppings. So, I won't put whipped cream on this one. I won't be that weird. Put your pineapple. I usually dazzle it up with a lime just because I put a lime in it. Usually if I put a lime in something, I like to add a lime as a garnish. And that is your skinny pina colada. Get a shot and taste this bad boy. Oh yeah, that's so good. It's almost better than that one, but that's just because I prefer these on hot days and you're at the beach. This is good. Don't let yourself not try this version of a pina colada. Number 3 version of super simple, easy pina coladas, Pina Colada hard seltzer Smirnoff. Yes, that exists. I don't know if it exists where you live, but if you come to Hawaii, they have them in the stores and you have got to try them. They are so good to bring to the beach. Of course, I opened it on the wrong end, so I got the kind I don't want. So sift through all the other gross flavors and grab yourself the pina colada. Now I don't just drink these plain. I mean, I do sometimes, but as you know with hard seltzers, they sometimes only have like 4 or 5% alcohol, which isn't a ton. And if you're like me, you're more of a drink to get drunk rather than drink to enjoy shot taker. You're gonna add extra ingredients. All right, so what you're gonna do, I only have 2 of those other cups because me and Kevin just live by ourselves, so why would we need more than 2 cups? We don't have friends, we don't have people coming forever. If they do, they can just use these. All right, so I have a 1/3 cup. So you're gonna put some ice, because you need ice in everything when you live in Hawaii. And if you think you have enough ice, you probably don't, because it melts faster than you'll ever imagine. Perfect. Grab your vodka, and when no one's looking, just give yourself a little splasheroo, and then pour your pina colada into your cup. Give it a little swishy swish. So good, so good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. New videos every week. And if you've tried any of these recipes, I'd love to know what you thought, or if you have a version similar or a little different, that you'd like to share, do so in the comments below. I'd love to read about them and maybe give them a try on my boat.